field. He was
different,
like,
and
I got a
think
med. I was like, then fucking med them so you got no more money and hop out. And then he fucking wouldn't hop out. And I was like, the obs and me.
I gotta mute that guy, hold on.
Clickety clacker, the keyboard spammer.
I just hate mouth noises. Like, it's so fucking nasty.
How do you
I'll
eat?
mute you. I'm just gonna start muting.
How do you eat that?
So gross.
I think he's talking about, like, the more subtle mouth noise.
Yeah.
Like the ones like this, like.
If you're on my team
So
last
skinny
team,
and
just
dick
fucking
sucking.
go alien. Fuck cocksuckers.
Sounds like that Ken Kniff skit from the Eminem album.